So an amazing living room, I like it. Look at this kitchen bar, and here, big Iceland. You have one couch over there, dining table here, some other sofa. So okay, here you have an extra 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms with bathroom. They have no kitchen, but both have like tables, sofa, TV, ACs, ceiling fans, some chairs to put outside, fridge, microwave. You see some plates and some cup. So this one has hot water, electric heads here. Small, furnished but enough. And access to the terrace. We go to check the second one. Same configuration. I like this blue. Small TV, tables for 2. Type of sofa, small fridge, microwave, water heater, and it's one of the smaller bathrooms, also hot water. It's clean. So here's the garage here, the main house, 2 bedrooms, sharing 1 large bathrooms and living rooms. Our entrance here with our gate. Large garden, we could do a pickleball pitch. And you have the caretaker staying here, so it's a safe property. There is always someone on site.